Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel No Nuggets, a place where you will gain information through nuggets of knowledge. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 practical interview questions specifically tailored for data analyst positions. Dive into real-world scenarios and learn how to analyze data, identify patterns, and provide strategic recommendations. So, let's begin. Consider this scenario. A company wants to analyze its sales data to identify trends and patterns. They have provided you with a dataset containing sales information for the past year. How would you approach this analysis? Now, let's look at the answer. To analyze the sales data effectively, I would start by cleaning and preparing the dataset, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. Then, I would perform exploratory data analysis to identify key variables, such as sales volume, revenue, and product categories. I would use data visualization techniques like bar charts, line graphs, and scatter plots to visualize the trends and patterns. Additionally, I would apply statistical techniques like regression analysis or time series analysis to identify any significant relationships or seasonal trends in the sales data. Let's discuss scenario 2 now. A retail company is launching a new marketing campaign and wants to evaluate its effectiveness. They have collected data on customer responses, including clicks, conversions, and customer feedback. How would you assess the impact of the marketing campaign? Now, let's look at the answer. To assess the impact of the marketing campaign, I would start by analyzing the customer response data. I would calculate key performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction scores. By comparing these metrics before and after the campaign, I can determine the effectiveness of the campaign in driving customer engagement and conversions. Additionally, I would use statistical analysis techniques like A/B testing to compare the performance of different variations of the campaign and identify the most successful strategies. Okay, now we will go through scenario 3. A healthcare organization wants to improve patient satisfaction. They have collected patient feedback through surveys and want to identify areas for improvement. How would you analyze the patient feedback data and provide recommendations? Now, let's look at the answer. To analyze the patient feedback data and provide recommendations, I would start by categorizing and organizing the feedback based on common themes or topics. This could include areas like wait times, staff behavior, cleanliness, and communication. Using text mining techniques, I would extract key sentiments and opinions expressed by patients. By analyzing the frequency and sentiment of these themes, I can identify the areas that require improvement. Additionally, I would conduct statistical analysis to identify any correlations between patient satisfaction and specific factors, allowing me to provide targeted recommendations for improvement. As we completed 3 scenarios till now, you must have got an idea on how to answer situation-based questions. Let's look at scenario 4. A manufacturing company wants to optimize its production process. They have collected data on various parameters such as production time, machine efficiency, and defect rates. How would you analyze the data to identify areas for improvement? Now, let's look at the answer. To analyze the production data and identify areas for improvement, I would start by conducting a thorough data exploration to understand the relationships between the different parameters. I would calculate key performance indicators like production cycle time, machine utilization, and defect rates. By analyzing these metrics, I can identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the production process. I would also use statistical techniques like hypothesis testing or control charts to identify any significant variations or patterns in the data. Based on the analysis, I can provide recommendations for process optimization, such as reducing cycle times, improving machine maintenance, or implementing quality control measures. Finally, we will conclude this session by analyzing this scenario 5. A financial institution wants to analyze customer churn rates to improve customer retention. They have provided you with a dataset containing customer information, transaction history, and churn status. How would you analyze the data and identify factors contributing to customer churn? Now, let's look at the answer. To analyze the customer churn data and identify factors contributing to churn, I would start by cleaning and pre-processing the dataset, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. Then, I would calculate customer churn rates and perform exploratory data analysis to identify potential patterns or correlations. I would use techniques like cohort analysis to compare the behavior and characteristics of customers who churned with those who stayed. Additionally, I would apply predictive modeling techniques like logistic regression or decision trees to identify the key factors influencing churn. Based on the analysis, I can provide recommendations for retention strategies, such as personalized offers, targeted communication, or improved customer service. Remember, preparation is key to a successful interview. By reviewing your skills and experiences, researching the company, and practicing your responses, you can present yourself as a competent and knowledgeable data analyst candidate. Good luck! I hope you liked this video and gained knowledge. Please like and subscribe our channel and watch out for more videos like this to gain knowledge. Thank you.